When we came to America 40 years ago, we weren't the first truck company to arrive, but we were the first to have a singular purpose, a laser focus on one thing, and one thing only, to be the best medium-duty truck option for hard-working men and women in America. We stayed focused, grew faster than anyone, put more trucks on the road, doing hard work for hardworking people, eventually becoming the fastest-growing medium-duty truck company in the USA. We've been doing that for 40 years, and slowing down is not an option. Please join us in celebrating our 40-year anniversary and watch as we continue to work towards our next 40.